Heard, learned advocate for the appellant. Stop. Respondent absent. Stop. This appeal under Section 15 of the Consumer Protection Act 1986 is directed against order dated 25/9/2006 rendered by the Learned Consumer Disputes Redressal Forum, Ahmedabad City, in complaint number 9 of 2004, dismissing the complaint with no order as to costs. Stop. Wide order dated 2007, notice was issued to the respondents to show cause as to why the appeal should not be admitted. Stop. The respondent was served with the notice and the respondent appeared through advocate Mr. Shah. Stop. But today none is present for the respondent when the matter is taken up for admission hearing. Stop. It is the say of the complainant that the complainant paid rupees 9 lakh, being the price of a farmhouse at measuring 20,000 square meters in block number 174 and also land at measuring 51,000 square meters in block number 139 of Tehsil and District Ahmedabad, that the possession of the farmhouse was to be given within 6 months. Stop. According to the complainant, the possession was not given within the stipulated time and the opponent went on giving assurances that the opponent demanded additional amount of rupees 46,000 for giving physical possession of the farmhouse. As per the complainant, that the complainant paid additional amount of rupees 46,000 wide check dated 25 April 2000 drawn on State Bank of India. Stop. According to the complainant, possession was not given till filing of the complaint, and during the pendency of the complaint possession was given. Stop. As contended in the reply that the possession has been given to the complainant in 1998. Stop. So far as possession of the farmhouse to the complainant is concerned, the learned forum has observed that the opponent has filed affidavit of the security guard testifying to the effect that the possession of the farmhouse was given to the complainant on 1998 by opening the lock. Stop. Thus, according to the opponent, and affidavit filed by the security guard of the opponent, possession was given to the complainant on 1998. Stop. There is nothing to suggest that at the time of filing of the complaint, request was made for appointment of court commissioner for making notes of the farmhouse in question so as to suggest the actual occupation, if any, of the complainant or the opponent. Stop. As far as the amount of rupees 46,000 which is stated to be an extra amount recovered by the opponent is concerned, according to the opponent have observed in the impugned order,